Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikas Khare and this is the lecture 4 of the series Data Analysis. We already discussed the concept of basics of data analysis in lecture 1, mean, mode and median in lecture 2 and percentiles in lecture 3. Now we will discuss in lecture 4 the basic concept of quartiles. Then what is the meaning of quartiles? I think everyone is guess. And what is the difference in between the percentile and quartile? So first we discuss the concept of quartiles. So it is a measures of central tendency that divide a group of data into four subgroups or four parts. So just quartiles, it is a measure of central tendency that divide a group of data into four subgroups or four parts. So in the case of quartiles, we assess Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. So the Q1 is 1/4 of the data, Q2 is 2/4 of the data, or Q3 is 3/4 of the data. We already discussed in the lecture 3 the basic concept of percentiles. So Q1 is just as a P25 or 25th percentile. Q2, it is just like a value of median, and also it is 50 percentile, or the last one Q3 is 75th percentile. So again, just quartiles, it is a measure of central tendency in the field of data analysis that divide a group of data into four subgroups or four parts. So that describe in terms of Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1 is 1/4, Q2 is 2/4 of the data, and Q3 is the 3/4 of the data. Then Q1 is equal 25th percentile, Q2 is 50th percentile, and Q3 is 75th percentile. Now we assess the basic concept of quartiles in the terms of example. So suppose we want to determine the value of quartiles or the value of Q1, Q2, Q3 for the following data set. The numbers are 105, 110, 112, 114, 119, 124, 127 and 131. So in this case, the n or total number of count is 8. So now we find out the value of Q1, which is equal to the 25th of percentile. So we find out the value of P25 is equal to the P upon 100 into N. So just 25 divided by 100 into 8 is equal to the 2. So first we identify the value of Q1, which is equal to the 25th percentile. Then the formula is equal P upon 100 into N, where P is equal to the 25 and N is equal to the number of count, which is equal to 8. So 25 by 8 divided by 100 is equal to the 2. So in this case, the value of J is whole number, where J is equal to the P upon 100 into N. So the value of J is equal to the whole number, so that the value of P25 is average of second and third number. So according to the data, the second and third number is 110 and 112. So in that case, the P25 is equal 110 plus 112 divided by 2 is equal to 111. So the value of Q1 is equal 111. So in that case, we identify the value of Q1 in the terms of 25th percentile, where J is equal to P upon 100 into N is equal 25 by 100 into 8 is equal to 2. So the J whole number is equal to 2. Then we find out value of P25 is average of second and third number, which is equal to 110 plus 112 divided by 2 is equal to the value of Q1 111. So now we find out value of Q2. So when we find out the value of Q2, so again the Q2 is equal to the 50th percentile for the given data set, or this one is equal to median. So in that case, the n is equal to 8. So median is average of two middle number, or in that case the two middle number according to the data set 114 and 119. So the value of Q2 is equal 114 plus 119 divided by 2. So this is equal to 116.5. So in that case, the value of P50 is equal Q2 and is equal 116.5. 16.5. So this is the value of Q2. In the next case, we identify the value of P75 or 75 percentile. So when we identify the value of P75, in that case, Q3 is equal 75 by 100 into 8. So according to the formula, P upon 100 into N, or which is equal to the J. So the final answer 75 into 8 divided by 100 is equal to 6. Again, 6 is whole number. So the value of P75 is equal to average of 6th and 7th number. So according to the data set, the 6th and 7th number are 124 and 127. So just the value of P75, which is also equal to the Q3, is given by 124 plus 127 divided by 2 is equal 125.5. So the value of Q3 125.5. So in this case, we identify the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3. So this is the value of Q3, this is Q2, or in the last case, we also identify the value of Q1. So this is the basic concept how we find out the value of quartiles in a given data set. So thanks a lot for all of you.